Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that almost everything you believe is real isn't, not because it's fake, but because it's a copy of something that disappeared long ago. Your opinions, your identity, your dreams, even the way you see yourself. What if none of them truly belong to you? This isn't science fiction. It's one of the most disturbing philosophical ideas ever written. In 1981, French philosopher Jean Baudrillard published a book called Simulacra and Simulation. His claim was simple, yet terrifying. Reality hasn't vanished. It has been replaced. Imagine a kingdom that creates the perfect map. Every mountain, every road, every river. The map becomes so accurate that it's exactly the same size as the country itself. Years pass. The real country begins to disappear. Cities collapse, roads break apart. Nature takes everything back, but the map survives. Eventually, people stop caring about the real country. The map becomes the only reality anyone trusts. Baudrillard borrowed this ancient story and asked a terrifying question. What if modern civilization has done exactly the same thing? What if we no longer experience reality, only its representation? Look around. People photograph food before tasting it. They record concerts instead of listening. They visit places they've already experienced thousands of times through social media. The image becomes more valuable than the moment. The profile becomes more important than the person. The brand becomes more important than the product. The symbol slowly replaces the truth. Baudrillard called this hyper-reality, a world where copies don't imitate reality anymore. They replace it. The frightening part. Most people never realize it happened. Now ask yourself, how many of your dreams are actually yours? Who decided what success looks like? Who taught you what beauty means? Who convinced you what kind of life deserves respect? Was it your own experience, or millions of images repeated until they felt like truth? Psychology tells us repeated ideas become beliefs. Literature tells stories about people searching for themselves. Baudrillard says something even darker. Maybe you're not discovering yourself. Maybe you're acting inside a story that someone else wrote long before you were born. This book doesn't ask whether the world is fake. It asks something much more disturbing. Can you still recognize reality after spending your entire life staring at its reflection? Maybe that's why silence feels uncomfortable. Maybe that's why ordinary moments feel meaningless unless someone else sees them. Maybe we've confused being noticed with truly existing. So before you scroll, I want to leave you with one final question. If every screen disappeared today, which part of your identity would still exist? Save this video. Don't answer today. Come back after a year and see whether your answer changed. Then share it with someone who loves philosophy, literature, and deep thinking.